and hello everybody. I'm Miniyal Rajkumar. So today I'm going to teach you which is very special. So freedom, respect and care are the best special gifts that everybody is having within ourselves. So here, even in this modern world, there are still many girls or women who are not given freedom to be educated and roam freely in this world. So, freedom means a bird is flying, a girl is living, and a woman is breathing in her own. So, here I am going to teach you how to draw a 3D description of the stages of a life of your inspiration or even your lives too. So, now let me tell you my inspiration and whom I am going to depict in this picture. So, she is a playwright. She is someone who is great in this world. She is not a man, but the iron women of the world. A young African American who was born at April 4, and she was devastated at the age of 8, and her parents were divorced when she was young. She was taken care by her grandmother who owned a general store. So when she was devastated at the 8, she was very frustrated and she didn't speak out for the next 5 years. She read many books and she is the publisher and she is the poet of I Know Why the Caged Bird Sing, a famous poem which is worldwide. So friends, I hope you had guessed who and who is my inspiration too. She is Maya Angelou, and now so friends, see here, she is Maya Angelou, and today I am going to depict her lifestyle in the art which I am going to teach you. So before going to teach you, let me show you this. So this is a 3D description, and here now let me describe you what's this all about. So here is a fish which is with freedom, but Maya Angelou is not given perfect freedom. So here I have depicted her in the fish tank and the fish outside the world which we are facing now. So here are the 3 flowers. So the first one that is moving on to this. So friends, look at this picture. Here is the image of a caged bird. So this is what Maya Angelou drew it. So she is the first poet who described this. That is, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sing is a poem what she wrote. And the next one, she had freedom. So I have depicted it with ship here, roaming freely in this world. And the third one is what she started to live her life on her own. So this is what, and now let's start the sweet session, and the materials required are. So first you need a color pencil. So here I have used this. And the second one we need is a black sketch. So you need scissors too, and you need 3 A4 sheets. And the next one is you need a cello tape. So now let's begin the session. So friends, first take a neat A4 sheet. And now take a pencil and draw 3 flowers of different sizes. So we can have heart shaped petals because that is the best choice of scenery drawing inside it. So here let me draw you one and show. So just see at this what I have drawn. So here is the huge sized one, and the next one is this, and the next one is this. So here the main colors we need are dark blue, sky blue and black. So first I'm going to choose dark blue, and we are going to just shade the color. So even not only oil pastels, so color pencil also can give sweet shades. So first take the color black and now give a dark coating at the border of all the petals. So friends, now give a dark outline like this. So now let me teach you, now take the dark blue and now shade it all the corners after black. So make a small dark border like this, So make a border of at least this size so that it would be very good to see your image. So see here, after doing some like this, what you have to do is you have to take the black sketch, and now I'm going to sketch the life and the stages of famous poet that I told you, that's Maya Angelou. So now first I'm going to draw um, a small branch and a caged bird hanging in it as a remembrance of her. So now let me draw it in the smaller one. So now look at this. I have drawn the first one, and next let me take the larger one, and here I am going to sketch a beautiful sea, and from that there is a freedom of a ship flowing through it. So now let me draw a wave in it, and then I'm going to choose a corner and draw the ship. So after drawing a ship, make sure that you shade something inside it so that it look more beautiful. So now just look at this. I have drawn the second one, and now I'm going to draw the third one. So it is like a scenery under a branch of a tree where you can have Maya Angelou roaming freely, or your life story too. So now let me draw that. So now all our drawings are ready. Now you can cut them and have them at the side. So now I'm going to cut them using the scissors. So make sure that they are in a perfect shape like this so that your drawing will look so beautiful. So now after cutting pieces like this, so what we are going to do now is, so now let me tell you how to draw a small fish first. So I hope you all would have learned how to draw a fish, but even though, let me teach you. So it's very simple, and now I have just drew a small fish. So just look at this. So friends, this is how a fish must look like. So now you have to draw the fish in a plain paper. So here I have taken a plain paper, and so first, after drawing fish, what you have to do is we have to draw a small fish tank. So take a pencil and then draw it. So make sure that it is at this bottom, and leave a small space even for the fish. So a fish tank can be any shape, but make sure that it is just circle so that it will look very beautiful. And now after drawing a fish tank, draw the fish aside and color them with any color choices of yours, but make sure that a fish tank is in the same shade that we have used here. So I'm going to just color it. So friends, after coloring it, now turn the take a dark green color, light green and yellow, and now let me teach you how to draw a simple leaf, and you have to draw at least 6 to 7 leaves arising from the fish tank. So first you have to take a dark color and draw a leaf shape. So let me show how the leaf shape looks. So I'm just doing a rough work for you. So this is how it looks. I now take dark green color and first color it for quarter of a portion in a grass, and after that take a light green and from that shade it, and next take yellow color and shade the rest off with yellow. So now to merge it, as I have already told you, if you have seen oil pastels, take the color which you have done below. For example, yellow is the last color, so we are now taking green and shading it between yellow and green color. Next we are taking light green, dark green, and shading it below light green and dark, between light green and dark green. So just look at this now. You will get a perfect shade like this. So you have to do many things like many times of 7 to 6 leaves like these, arising one leaf from the fish tank. So this is final. And now after doing that, let me teach you how to stick this. So all you need is the main is elephant tape. So friends, here take a small bit of cello tape. See, I have taken here, and now keep it like this at the back side at one edge, and so you will have rest of the tape, right? Fold it as I am folding it. Just fold it, not it as a whole. It will be very hard, but make sure that it don't stick perfectly. So see, it will stick like this after you have folded. So you will make a paper fan, right? You will fold it like something like this. So you fold something like this, and then this, so you'll get something like this, right? So this is how I'm telling you to fold, and after folding, stick them at the leaf that you have done. So do the same for all the things, and now you'll get a perfect thing like this. So just see this, I have done it. And now here I have drawn a girl image inside. So if you want, I'll teach you how to draw. So it's very simple. I have forgotten it to teach to you, but now let me teach you. So first draw a small body for the girl, and then make sure that her image should come like she is leaning on the wall behind, sorry, at the glass which is at behind her, and she is holding a book in her arms. So see, it must be like this. So this is what I have drawn there. So keep them aside, friends. And now if you think that you want to do something extra, yes you can. So the rest I'm going to stick it same on what I have done before. So this would emerge, see, it will be like 3D. See, now look at this. It looks to be like 3D, right? So this is how you have to draw. So now look at this embossing character of 3D shapes things. So here everything is 3D what I have stuck, and this emerges well than other. So make sure that you always stick the cellophane tape at the center to get a good emerging character. You can also do wonderful butterflies like this to have an emerging effect, or a 3D effect too. So finally look at this, it's ready now. And you can use this as a wall hanging, or if you think like daily morning I want to see this so that I would inspire more, yes you can sit it if you get up, if you just look at them in a 3D description, yeah, you will think, okay, this is how I want to live my life, and so this will be very inspiring. Even I'm telling that if you have faced such a struggling lifestyle, and now if you are living happily like this, yes, you can do your own life stories too, so that it would be inspiring for someone else or even for you. So finally look at this, now it's perfectly ready. So finally, here's the final message. My dear brothers and sisters, so you have the freedom to give wings to your own dreams, and you are the only person who are capable to grow in such a great height in which the society wants you to be. Never mind what they say, be who you are. So rejection of fear, want of attention, and crave affection, and finally dream to perfection, and that's where there is a click and a luck in your life, and you will succeed towards the point at a high. So this is Lineal signing off, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe and share this in our channel and comment. Thank you once again. Bye.